Yeah. Bro. In 2003, Typhoon Maemi hit Geoje Island, shore winds howling through the night. Where the shipyard lights once shone. From Yeongdeok came Baek Soon-sam, a researcher and a man. He saw the damage to his field and built a wall with his hands. With earth and stones he started, no design to guide his path. Firmly built, each layer placed by his hands alone it stands. A wall that looks like ancient castles, standing tall and proud. Geoje's new attraction, Maemiseong, hear the crowd. Oh, Maemiseong, the tale of storms you stand against. A fortress built of dreams with earth and stone so dense. Like castles from the medieval days, breathing history, a legend in the winds of Geoje. You'll always be. No plans were there to guide him, just a shield against the storm. Yet it became a castle where many now flock and swarm. From a humble start to landmark, where stories now unfold, following the steps of visitors, tales of old retold. With cement, finishing the sturdy walls you've grown, defying Typhoon's force, your majesty has shown. People gaze in awe and marvel at your might. Standing here, their hearts are filled with pure delight. Oh, Maemiseong, the tale of storms you stand against. A fortress built of dreams with earth and stone so dense. Like castles from the medieval days, breathing history, a legend in the winds of Geoje. You'll always be. What began as just a wall has now become a grand old tale. Geoje's shining landmark, weathering every gale. Through the years your story stands, a memory for us. With Maemiseong our dreams are woven into trust. Oh, Maemiseong, the tale of storms you stand against. Keep standing on our island with dreams and stone so dense. A fortress built with love, forever in our hearts. Long may you stand while our memories never part.